Greetings, friends. Watch refrigeration news for Wednesday, June 22, 2022 on our channel. Papst presented new AxiTwin 100 compact fan. Carrier Transicold strengthens customer support. SWEP inaugurated the new production and office areas in Kosice factory. Americold opens new freezer storage facility in town of Dunkirk. Area welcomes new members Assofrigoristi and ÖGKT. Carrier adds innovative EcoBlue technology to entire WeatherMaker rooftop line. ATMO America conference rides wave of growing adoption of natural refrigerants in North America. So, first news today. Papst presented new AxiTwin 100 compact fan. Ever more powerful electronics are required in data centers, communications technology, and other industrial applications in order to process increasingly large flows of data. At the same time, more packing density and computing power are required in increasingly compact spaces. Electronics cooling is increasingly becoming a challenge. Present axial compact fans are now often reaching the limits of their capacities, since aerodynamic resistance increases as devices become more and more compact. Read more the news on our website today. Second news today. Carrier Transicold strengthens customer support. Carrier Transicold is furthering its commitment to sustainability, quality services, aftermarket support by advancing its UK service partner network with significant investment in the Specialist Training Academy and Urgent Request Spare Parts Facility. The new site in Manchester will help ensure Carrier Transicold continues to deliver leading levels of product, parts and maintenance support to its service partner network and customers nationwide. Read more the news on our website today. Third news today. SWEP inaugurated the new production and office areas in Kosice factory. Last year, Phase 3 of SWEP's Kosice factory expansion project started. Now, approximately 1 year after the project first began, SWEP inaugurated the new production and office areas. I would like to congratulate the entire Kosice team for their outstanding work and dedication to finalizing this part of our EMEA expansion. It was a pleasure for me to participate in the opening, and I am proud to see how well our team has put our ambitions into reality, says Frederick Paulson, General Manager, SWEP EMEA. Read more the news on our website today. Fourth news today. Americold opens new freezer storage facility in town of Dunkirk. Americold Realty Trust, a global leader in temperature-controlled warehouses and logistics for the food industry, announced the grand opening of its newest facility in Dunkirk, New York. With 181,000 square feet of cold storage and operational space, this LEED-certified facility features 25,000 pallet positions to support cold storage needs in the Western New York region. This is our first facility in Western New York, and we're excited to expand in this area at the request of our customers, said George Chappell, Chief Executive Officer at Americold. Read more the news on our website today. Fifth news today. Area welcomes new members Assofrigoristi and ÖGKT. Area is pleased to announce that two associations, Assofrigoristi and ÖGKT, were welcomed as members during the annual General Assembly meeting in Athens, Greece on May 13, 2022. Assofrigoristi, the Italian Refrigeration Association, is a non-profit association which brings together companies and SMEs that carry out the design, assembly, installation, maintenance, repair and disposal of industrial refrigeration and non-domestic air-conditioned systems. Read more the news on our website today. Sixth news today. Carrier adds innovative EcoBlue technology to entire WeatherMaker rooftop line. Carrier announced that its entire new WeatherMaker line of rooftop units now feature the company's innovative EcoBlue technology. Previously available only on select units, EcoBlue technology is designed to improve performance and efficiency while decreasing maintenance and installation costs. EcoBlue technology features an exclusive patented, beltless direct drive vane axial fan system, an industry first for rooftop units, that's up to 40% more energy efficient than conventional forward curve belt driven fan systems. Read more the news on our website today. Seventh news today. ATMO America Conference rides wave of growing adoption of natural refrigerants in North America. As natural refrigerant-based cooling and heating systems become more prevalent in North America, the Atmosphere, ATMO, America Summit 2022, last week addressed the latest technologies, market trends and government policy considerations related to these systems. The annual event was held June 7 to 8 at the Hilton Alexandria Mark Center in Alexandria, Virginia. Read more the news on our website today. That's all. Share the news with your friends. Join Refrigeration group on Facebook and LinkedIn. Please find the links below.